So this is the style for the rotary pump, and this is the style for the P pump. We can see the P pump, much larger. So this here is our 1972 Dana limousine. Now the car's plenty powerful enough, but I thought, why not phone up our friends at Friday Parts? So this here is a P7100 Bosch fuel pump. But to fit this pump, it's not as straightforward as just bolting it on. That's why all these other bits are here. So these are again, all from Friday Parts. I was meant to do an unboxing on that one. So this is a new timing gear. So the inline pumps delivers much higher pressure fuel into that big pump there. Big pipes and whatnot. Now this is the big one we've got to change. So this again, all from Friday Parts. Bolt to the timing case in a different way. So on the big inline pumps, you need a timing case with this mounting flange on here. Right, so we've got all the bits off the car now, so let's have a little look at the differences. So these are our two timing cases. Now, all of this bit's the same, but if we have a look here, this is where the pump bolt's on. So this is the style for the rotary pump, and this is the style for the P pump. Now, looking here, this is the pump that came off the engine. The main difference between these two pumps is the way they operate. So this is the reason why we need to change our timing gear. If we have a look at the two spindles here, we can see the P pump, much larger than that one. So, there we go. So before we do that, we're going to dig in and add a little bit of seasoning to this pump. There it is. Right, now they're loose. Unhelpful. That is the retaining nut. That's the little keeper. I'm pulling it all out one by one because. So then, I'll put this base in first. This is our new machine spring base. Plop that in there. So now we've given the pump the ability to turn more RPM. Okay, well I've managed to cobble something together. I'm hoping this is all going to work and hold the pressure. These injector lines are 12mm threads, but they don't fit. So I've got these injector pipes in. A little bit used, but they'll be absolutely fine for what we want to do. So all the valve springs are back in, put the push rods back in, and now put the pedestals and the rockers back on. Once we've got that all tightened up and torqued down, we're about ready to fire it up. Everything's tightened and torqued up. What we're going to do now is crank the engine over. Oh yeah.